Pretty impressive.
Tech, museum, spaceship. From the Silicon Valley headquarters. Weird to see it in England. Today I'm here at the Cisco UK headquarters at Bedfont Lakes, the beautiful headquarters offices and experience center of Cisco. I want to snoop around these slick offices. This is going to be good. Let's go. And it looks the way you'd expect a Silicon Valley giant to look. And Cisco are not messing around. Look at this, it's like a spaceship. I mean, woo! Literally feel like I'm on the Star Trek, whatever it's called. Probably gonna get attacked by a bunch of Latinos who took offense by my Star Trek ignorance. Straight away, you can see Cisco's flashiest gadgets on display, which aren't the usual types of devices you'd usually think of from this tech giant, like their classic routers, switches, which are incredible core hardware, kind of boring in nature, hidden away in a server room. Cisco have been very busy creating high-end user devices for the 2024 worker using Zoom, Teams, WebEx video calls, conference room solutions on next level, absolutely cutting edge stuff. Before having a tour of the Cisco Experience Center, we were taken up to the top floor canteen and leisure area to get some refreshments, but most importantly, snoop around and look for any quirky Silicon Valley style areas in this giant glass palace. Giant cafeteria, as you can see behind me, is kind of what you'd expect from a Silicon Valley headquarters. Weird to see it in England. This is an outdoor sitting area, and the office complex is called Bedfont Lakes, and I assume this is the Bedfont Lake. It is a huge campus right near Heathrow. You can see the planes taking off from down there, and there are many different buildings here. We're going to be having a tour later, and I can't wait to see what else this place has in store for us. And now off to the Cisco Experience Center, which is where Cisco show off their latest ridiculously cutting-edge gizmos and acts as a futuristic space for customer demos. And now the part we've all been waiting for, the tour of the Cisco Client Experience Center, where they show off all their technology across audio, visual, networking, connectivity in this incredible tech museum, spaceship, call it what you want, but
Pretty impressive.
into the mind-blowing interactive wall room, where they can show any type of content in whatever kind of environment the Cisco customer wants to see via this gigantic, completely interactive touchscreen. This will be used for in-person demos. And see the trippy but beautiful power over Ethernet LED lighting here, a nod to Cisco's leading PoE technology. Boardrooms with the full technology suite of Cisco's communication setups, with stuff like cameras which automatically follow the people talking and mics that perfectly pick up whoever is speaking around the table. Basically all the gadgets you can imagine to create a virtual meeting experience as close to an in-person experience as possible. We were taken to the lab where they use it for software-defined access demos, and it's pretty cold in this legitimate lab. It's where the customers will go to see the physical Cisco hardware in action and can watch a live network being set up from scratch. Now onto the contact center with the latest comms devices for an office. The iconic Cisco desk phone was basically the most popular phone globally, and it's good to see them move on with the times. Who can forget that epic Cisco hold tone? What a tune. Finally, we were treated to the very best of their collaboration technology, including the interactive whiteboards, the desk-based system. This tech was really cool to see in action, and if money was no object, I'm pretty sure every business would want every single gadget on display here. For example, as shown on this screen, you can see a smart office with the temperature, every room, every device connected, and data visible. The amount of collaboration technology in here. Unreal, unreal. And there we have it. I'm by the Bedfont Lake at the end of the Cisco Partner Experience Day. I've had a blast. Anyway, I better head back to Manchester from the beautiful Cisco Bedfont Lakes headquarters. I hope you enjoyed the tour, all of my snooping around and exploring. I definitely have. Show me some love in the likes and comments, and I'll see you later.